Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, thank you for always watching my videos. So my name is Dilia and today I'm going to be doing a highlight and contour video in Pidgin English. So I'm going to be doing my foundation highlight and contour routine, but I'm going to be doing this in Pidgin English. How far my people, welcome back to my channel. If you not just see my face for the first time, my name is Niela and I'm me they manage this channel.
If you never subscribe, I take God beg you, I beg, just subscribe to my channel. The link there for my description box. If you don't want to go my description box, you get one fine red button wait there for your screen as you watch me now. So
just make you just subscribe to my channel. So make sure if you know that you don't see my video before, you don't watch my video before, you don't subscribe to my channel before, oh yeah, chop no, now you be the real G. So today's video now in collaboration with 3 other ogbonge women waiting for this our YouTube. And the first person when I do collaboration with na cisca kinks. Cisca kinks na natural hair guru and she do some kind things for her channel where they call DIY. Second person when I collaborate with na Dilia Empire. Dilia na my home girl too. She they do makeup tutorials, also do wig tutorials set for her own channel. Then the third person where I collaborate with now familusi. I hope say I pronounce that your last name well, but now Mercy and Mercy too na natural hair guru and she always do some beauty things. I take God beg on now watch this video finish. Just go my description box, go click their link when I go drop for that place and go watch their video, go show them support. When you reach their channel, just tell them say na Niela send you, so make them know say na from me you take they come from.
So if you want to see how I take do my foundation highlight and contour routine, make you not go anywhere or just they watch me, just they look at your screen, they watch me. No press pause, no press fast forward, no press rewind. Just wait. Make we start this highlight and contour tutorial.
And the next thing I go talk about now brushes when I go use. Una don't already know this brush. If una never watch my makeup brush video, I go drop the link down below for my description box. Make you just go click for that link, go watch my makeup brush video. So I not go to talk about them too much. So the first thing I like to do now to moisturize, and I don't already moisturize my face, and I go show you the moisturizer when I use. The moisturizer when I use now this moisturizer from Oriflame and now pure skin massifying lotion. I like this moisturizer because it did okay for my skin tone. So I don't already moisturize before I even do my brows. And then I want to do now to take this fair gold primer, apply them for my face. And I not go take too much, I not go take too small, but I go apply them in a circular motion or in outward downward motion. I don't know as I go take talk for Pidgin, but when I just take them like that. So I go just use my finger. Although make sure say your hands they always clean before you touch your face or before you apply makeup on your face. So I go just apply them in a downward outward. I even apply some for my forehead, so maybe I just apply them for this region around my forehead side. So I go just use my finger, they blend this thing inside. I don't really apply for my nose. So the next thing when I want to do before I go allow the primer to set now to use this number 7. So I go use number 7, rub them for my T-zone area. As I don't apply this primer finish now, I go just leave them for some minutes, maybe like 2-3 minutes, make the thing just dry small for my face. So I go take this flawless foundation. As the primer already dry for my face, I go take this flawless foundation, apply them for my face now. I go just pour chinkering thing for my hand because I no one waste the foundation. So I go pour very chinkering thing for my hand. Come take this my foundation blending brush, they apply them for my face. So I'd always like to start from one side of my face. So if the foundation is quick dry, you know go quick dry because by the time I put here, start to do and before I go really place, the foundation will not dry. So I like to do one side of my face or one part of my face one at a time. So I'll come apply foundation on top of my head side because I don't want to make I use mistake clean this hard work. Wait time we say this eyebrow when I do. I will use this flat foundation brush to apply my foundation around. apply foundation everywhere. I even use that same brush apply foundation under my eye because I don't want to use this brush chook inside my eye by mistake. So the next thing when I go do now na highlight. And for highlight, as I don't talk am before, na Milani concealer I go use. Yes, I know a lot of people they use LA. I even get LA, but for today I won't use this Milani take do my highlight and contour. But and since say they inside pots like this, I go use the back of my brush or the tail of my brush take scrape out some concealer when I go use do my foundation, highlight and contour routine. You don't see say I don't apply my foundation on my face, don't dey flat. You don't get any contour, you don't get any dimension, you don't get any, in fact, you just don't scrape small. I go just apply them. I just talk say the reason for highlight and contour be say for highlight it go show some places where you want make people dey see, and for contour it go help you hide some places where you don't want make people dey see. That's why after highlight and contour you go see say people get pronounced cheekbones, it can't be like say they get pointed nose, it can't be like say covered, it can't be like say you get model, you know those model where you see for TV where they get spine face, and it can't be like say you get those kind of face. So I go just dey scrape my concealer, they apply them. Some people go talk stay na stress. Yes, I understand, but I just want to use this concealer today. I go always advise no use too much. You go fit blend them well and you go fit blend them fast. So I go do the same thing for here because I want to see when I say I get pointed nose. So the next thing I want to do now, I always like to use my brush, apply and first before I go inside with my beauty blender. So I go still use the same brush. I go use my wipe take wet my beauty blender. I don't spray am with this finishing spray, but make I use my wipe for people when you get finishing spray and setting spray. So just use your wipe, rub am, or you go wet your beauty blender small, just put am inside water then squeeze am. So I go just use beauty blender now take blend the concealer with under my eye. The reason why they always put water for the beauty blender before you use and blend your concealer now because say if the beauty blender dey dry, it go just drag the makeup where they start they go. So but if the beauty blender dey wet, if you pour small water for the beauty blender, the beauty blender go come dey wet. If you dey blend them, the thing no go too chop plenty product. You no go just chop, they chop plenty product. So as I don't blend them now, the next thing when I go like to now to use my setting powder take set all the places when I put light concealer. Fair gold setting powder, I go just use and set my face because I don't really blend everything. I know they like my concealer make it too thick. So you go just dey punch into your face small. Go to this side. You get everything that they call baking air. This baking air now when you just put setting powder on top all those places when you put light concealer for some time. I don't know if I want to talk about Pidgin. say you go just leave am for that place. Maybe you go just put the powder, just dey do the rest of your, maybe you go do your lipstick, dey do some other things. But me, I know they too like to bake per se. So I go just go now, I go just take my powder, just stop the excess setting powder wey dey around this area, because I know they too like bake. Use this dark shade wey dey for this palette, this one. I go use am come apply am for the place where they call hollow of my cheek. So I go do my mouth like this. Brush when I talk about it for beginning of my video, use and take apply my contour, because I don't want make the thing dey too sharp. Carry am go inside. Now don dey see say my face don dey get shape, so you know dey like this. You know, next thing I want to do now na to apply, to rub powder for all my face. For highlighter now, I go use this highlighter wey dey inside this DH Malibu palette when I show now before. Then I go use this brush wey they call fan brush, take apply am for on top my cheekbone. So I don't already apply powder, I don't already rub powder, I don't already rub my concealer, I don't already apply my highlight. The next thing when I go do be say I go just take this finishing spray by NYX, take spray for my face, make it just help me finish the whole makeup. So I go just spray am like this. No be say I go put am near my face like say I won't spray perfume for my body. No, I go just stretch my hands like this, then spray am. Then I go leave am for some minutes, make the thing dry. So make it just help me go inside my foundation, just help me arrange my whole face, my powder, everything together. I'll come to the end of this video on how to highlight and contour. I hope say you don't learn one thing or two things. So if you know say you don't learn, I beg, no just keep am to yourself. Share this video to your friends, to your auntie, to your neighbor, to your mama. If you know say your mama they do penguin things. So share this video, give your mama, make she watch her, make she learn how to do her foundation well, do her highlight and contour. And I thank God beg on her. Mona, don't forget to check description link for those the link of these other women where I do collaboration with. I beg you name of God, na Dilia Empire, na Cisca Kinks, and na Mercy. I go just write your name. I no one just spoil your name by just pronouncing anything. So my people, and I go see you now for my next video.